Hello friends, once again welcome back to Knowledge Gap. Very is a word that we use almost every day in our life. For example, very good, very sad, very beautiful. Instead of using these words, we can replace them by using other words with the same meaning. Some of these words may be new to you. By this, you can also increase your vocabulary. So before going to the words, those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it and watch the video till the end. The first word is very smart. Instead of saying that boy is very smart or that girl is very smart, we can say he or she is intelligent. There we can skip the word very. The next word is very bad. Instead of saying that movie was very bad or that song was very bad, we can say that song was awful or that movie was awful. Another word is very cold. Instead of saying it's very cold today, we can say it's freezing today. Another word is very bright. Instead of saying that light is very bright, we can say that light is luminous. Another one is very busy. If we want to say that I'm busy right now, we can say I'm swamped. Another one is very careful. We say be very careful. Instead of that, we can say be cautious. Another one is very sad. If we see someone sitting sad, someone hurt, we say, oh, very sad. Instead of that, say sorrowful. The next one is very clear. Instead of saying the answer was very clear, say the answer was obvious. Another one is very confused. Instead of saying I'm very confused, say I'm perplexed. Another one is very often. We say that we text each other very often. Instead of that, we can say we text each other frequently. Another one is very stupid. We say don't be stupid. Don't be too stupid or don't be very stupid. We can say don't be idiotic. The next word is very lazy. We say that she's a very lazy child. For a change, we can say she's indolent. Another one is very hungry. I'm very hungry. Say I'm starving. The next word is very special. Instead of saying very special, we can say exceptional. She's a very special child. We can say she's exceptional. The next word is very angry. We can say furious. I'm very angry. Just say I'm furious. The next one is very happy. She's very happy. Say she's ecstatic. The next word is very beautiful. We say wow, she's very beautiful. For a change, we can say wow, she's gorgeous. Another one is very creative. Suppose if we see an art and we feel that it's very creative, say it's innovative. When we see someone very fat, we can say she's obese. Instead of saying I'm very glad, say I'm overjoyed. If we see someone funny, we say he's very funny. Say he's hilarious. When we see a baby, we may say, oh, she's very cute. Just say she's adorable. If you're very friendly, we can say I'm amiable. Just change the word. Don't use very. The last word is very excited. Instead of that, we can say thrilled. I'm thrilled or she's thrilled. I hope you all have got something useful from this video. If you liked it, please click the like button and share the video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please mention in the comment box. I'll be coming very soon with new, more informative videos. Till then, this is Anjali signing out. Bye.